Hello, students. So, today we are going to talk about Delhi University campus and how safe it is for the students. When I talk about the safety aspect, I'm going to talk about the physical safety, the emotional safety, the economic safety. तो अभी तक मैंने जितने वीडियोस बनाए हैं all those videos are basically about everything good and shiny about Delhi University. But as you all know, all that glitters is not gold. It is a utopian situation if we assume that everything is going to be positive in something. There is always a challenge and a negative side to things. So is the case with Delhi University. Number one that I'm going to talk about is your physical safety. So, especially in North Campus की मैं बात कर रही हूँ. In North Campus, there are a lot of incidents of phone snatching. Now, what happens is that students they come from home and they are moving out of their home. So your age is such that you generally have very hi-fi and very expensive phones with you because the phone is a word to the people nowadays. And phone snatchers को ये बहुत अच्छे से पता होता है that these are expensive phones. So whenever you are on the streets outside of your college or outside of your hostel or hanging out with friends, you will generally find bikers. They'll come and they'll snatch the phone daily on a daily basis. Many incidents of phone snatching happen, especially on the North Campus. South Campus is comparatively safer. So I would request all of you, my aim is not at all to scare you. The only aim is to caution you well in advance so that you don't become a victim to all these incidents, which so many students have already experienced in the past. Now, number two, again, it is related to your physical safety. There are, especially for those students who have colleges which work till late in the night. Now, the official college will not work till late in the night. You will have sometimes the society work, sometimes you will have fest. And for B colleges like Faculty of Management Studies, you will also have placements happening at night. Companies pick up the slots accordingly. So you have to stay in a hostel or a PG which is near your college. Prefer that, and also prefer the hostel or PG which is on the main road. You will find a lot of PGs, especially the cheaper ones, choti galiyon mein, in small lanes, you'll find PGs. So if you're deciding to stay in such PGs, then you must stay with your friends so that raat ko in the late evenings when you are going to college and you are coming back from college, you at least have the company of friends. Now, why I am saying that? There are lots of stray dogs on the streets at night, and a cluster of these stray dogs can become very dangerous for a lone walker. So it's always good to have a company and walk with your friends to the college or from the college, especially during the hours when a lot of people are not on the streets. Then there's a ridge area in North Campus. Everybody knows about it. The ridge area is infested with red faced monkeys. So, again, though a lot of monkey bite incidents have never been reported, but again, it is always better to be cautious, and security should always be the prime concern that should be on your mind. Now, coming to the emotional security. See, when you will go hunting for your PGs and your hostels, the biggest drawback of Delhi University is that it doesn't cater to as many seats in a college PG or a hostel as are required. The demand is much more than the supply. So, as a result, every individual household in the North Campus is running a PG. It's an additional source of income for them. Now, what you have to keep in mind is that you take proper feedback from the students who are already residing there and who have already lived there, because they will make up the PG and the hostel in such a way that you will not get the real picture. And when you will pay the advance, be very cautious. A lot of students have wasted their parents' hard earned money. They paid the advance of 20,000 to 30,000 or at times 40,000 also. And then they next evening when they realize, or next day when they realize that this is not the PG they wanted to stay in, and their advance was not returned because of that clause that this is non-refundable amount. I am myself a victim of this. I had given few years ago 40,000 rupees, and again one of the corporate PGs, one of the renowned PGs, and then I had to really work very hard to get my money back. So that is why I'm giving you a word of caution that before you pay your advance to the PG owners, please make sure that you've done all your research and then only you pay your advance. Then another security that I'm going to talk about is your health security. Now you will get into a cycle. What will happen? You'll sleep late, you'll have late evenings, either hanging out with your friends or maybe your exams or placement. There would be a lot which would be happening in your life, and then you will get up late in the morning. By then you will realize that the breakfast is over in the PG, or it has become very cold and it's not fit for eating, and then you'll rush to college. Hungry stomach, afternoon again running from societies to college to classrooms, and again then you land up eating something which is not very healthy for your stomach. For few months you'll be maybe fine because you are a healthy body and a healthy human being, but perpetual eating of this cheap roadside food will put you in a cycle where you will realize that your stomach had started getting upset very frequently, and it would, any small trigger would create issues for you. So be very careful what you eat, when you eat, be very disciplined, maintain your routine. I know that what I'm saying is very simple to say and very simple to hear also. When it comes to implementation, most of you may not be, but what I want to bring out here is that a lot of you are able to do it. So if a lot of you are able to do it, I am sure the others can also do it. If you've decided to take care of all these things, then I'm sure your college life is going to be really good and you're going to have some very good experiences of the campus life, which you will cherish for lifelong. So thank you. Stay tuned. And I'm going to get you more such videos which will help to make your college life more fruitful and eventful. Please keep sharing and keep liking the videos.